Hey everybody, happy Monday. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich with your Monday weather update. Kind of gloomy out there, kind of sticky right now, but we are going to see some sunshine and it's still warm. Too warm for this time of year. The average high this time of year should be about 81 degrees. We'll be well into the mid 80s this afternoon. Now, a couple features to point out to you. You can see the little swirl. This is the remnant low of what was Tropical Depression, Tropical Storm Julia. Now, it's a naked center, and we call it naked because it sounds risque, right? But it mainly means all the thunderstorms have been sheared off the top, and you could see all the thunderstorm activity is off to the east, and there's some to the north. But what's more important is that it's bringing at least some tropical moisture to eastern North Carolina, and if you look carefully, you can see there are some showers in eastern North Carolina. Temperatures in the upper 60s to upper 70s to low 80s, excuse me, but look at the dew points. This is really muggy air. Dew points for September in the mid to upper 70s. That is really tropical air. So a little bit of good news for rain, which we need. If we can get some of these showers to scoot back to the west, they're going to be very efficient rainfall makers. We actually saw some flooding north of Raleigh, 5-6 inches of rain in this band, but you can see it's mainly pushing to the east. What I'm waiting to see later this afternoon is if we start to see some instability develop and the sunshine comes out, we could see some showers pop up in these areas just to the west and around Charlotte. I'd say the chance of rain right now probably about, I'd say 50%, and even then I wouldn't hold my breath that we're going to see a whole lot of rain this afternoon. Here's a look at, let me take a look at the short range model first. We'll look at that in a second. This is what we call the HRR, and I'll show you how most of the rain is east of Charlotte, but later this afternoon you can see after about 2-3 o'clock, some showers do try to develop in and around Charlotte. This is 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and then 8 o'clock. So there are some showers, but not everyone's going to get them. So you're not going to be lucky that if you oversee the alarm like me, that you don't have to water today. I got the sprinkler running right now. What's more important is people want to know, when is it going to cool down? Now, what this map is showing you is areas that are going to be 80 or higher. So you could see as we go through the next couple of days, a lot of 80s to our west, but notice over the Carolinas, there's a chance we could be cooler than 80 degrees. So as we go further out, and again, remember, this is highs and lows, so this is overnight when you see drop. We're going to go out towards the weekend. You notice the chances through next weekend, this weekend into Monday, the chances of 80-degree weather start shifting south. We'll go out 8 days, 8.5, 9 days. Here you go. And notice chances are we're going to be cooler. So this is really showing basically temperatures that could be below 80 degrees up in here. Probably most likely 80 degrees down here. And a lot of folks are saying, ooh, that looks like a major cool down. Here's the thing. By next week, the average high is in the upper 70s. So even though this is a significant cool down compared to what we've seen, it's actually going to still be around or slightly above average. So I don't see a significant cool down like below average temperatures coming for a while. We'd probably have to go out maybe 11 and a half, 12 and a half, 13 and a half days. It's hard to see. Maybe in about 10 days from now, we'll get a legitimate chance of maybe some low and some mid 70s. So quick update on the weather. Temperatures out there right now are in the 70s to near 80 degrees. It's hot and humid, and we have a slight chance of isolated showers. I'll be talking more about these rain chances and the hunt for cooler weather starting today at 4 on NBC Charlotte. I'll see you then.